Hi everyone, this is Raghuram, aptitude trainer. In this video we are going to see the problems on time and work. The basic thing, only one basic thing we need to learn about these problems is, if A can do a piece of work in n days, then A's 1 day's work is 1 by n. Suppose he can do a piece of work in 10 days, then his 1 day's work is 1 by 10th of the total work. 1 by 10th of the total work. In 10 days he can complete in complete work. We take complete work as 1. Let us take a problem. The first one, if A can do a work in 15 days and B in 20 days, then if they work on it together, then they complete the work in how many days? So we have a shortcut method. First we shall learn normal method. Suppose A can do a piece of work in how many days? 15 days, and his 1 day work is how much? 1 by 15. And B can do a piece of work in how many days? 20 days. His 1 day work is what? 1 by 20. So A plus B, they work on it together, they can complete it. A plus B is 1 day work is what? So 1 by 15. A's 1 day work is 1 by 15 and B's 1 day work is 1 by 20. Get the LCM. So what's the LCM? Here we have a shortcut method to find the LCM. 15 and 20. So generally what do we do to find the LCM? So we take 15, 20. We take the common factor is what? 5 3's, 5 4's. 3 and 4 are co-primes. So what do we take? 5 3's are 15, 15 4's 60. This is normal method. But without doing like this, I'll tell you a shortcut method. So take these two numbers. If you want to find the LCM of 15 and 20, what's the bigger number? 20. If 20 is divisible by 15, 20 is the LCM. If not, 20 plus 20 is what? 40. And 40, if 40 is divisible by 15, 40 is the LCM, but 40 is not divisible by 15. Again add 20, so what do we get? 60. If 60 is divisible by 15, 60 is the LCM. So here in this case 60 is divisible by 15, so 60 is the LCM. This is the shortcut method. Now this is LCM, so 15 4's are 60 plus 23's 60. So together their 1 day work is 7 by 60. Get the reciprocal. If A can do a piece of work in 15 days, his 1 day work is 1 by 15. What's the reciprocal? We get 15. Like this, after getting the answer, get a reciprocal. That is 60 by 70 days. This is 1 day work is 7 by 60. In 1 day, they together complete the how much work? A part of the work, 7 by 60. Total work we take it as 1. Always we take it as 1. And 7 by 60 is 1 day's work. So what is the reciprocal? 60 by 7 days. They together complete the work. This is normal method. It's a complicated method to find the LCM. So what do you call all these additions? So it takes much time. I'll tell you shortcut method. Now let us see a shortcut method. Here we take A and B. So days, here we take days and efficiency, DE, we take like this. How many days A can complete a piece of work in? 15 days. B can complete in 20 days. Get the LCM of 15 and 20. This is common. So we have a shortcut method. What's that one? So 15, 20, biggest number is 20. 20 plus 20, 40 is not divisible. 40 plus 20, 60 is divisible. So 60. Here we take a total units as 60. This is a shortcut method and we take 60 units. Previous method we have taken total work is 1. Here I'll take total work is 60. They can complete a piece of work, that is 60 units of work in 15 days. So he can complete 4 units, that is efficiency. 15 4's are 60. So he can complete 4 units per day. So 15 4's 60 units he can complete in 15 days. And 23's are 60. So he can complete, and each day he can complete 3 units of work. So 23 is 60 units he can complete in 20 days. So we need A plus B. Always do like this. Take days and efficiency 15, 20 and efficiency is 4 units per day, 3 units per day. And first get the LCM of these things. So addition of these things 4 plus 3 is 7 and always do like this. 60 the total units divided by they together complete how much part? 7 units in one day. So 60 units can complete in 60 by 7. So the answer is 60 by 7. Let us take next problem. A can do a piece of work in 15 days and B in 20 days. If they work on it together for 4 days, then the fraction of the work that is left is. So A can complete. So here we take days and efficiency. A can complete in how many days? 15 days. Same. And B can complete in 20 days. The efficiency, what's the LCM? 60. And 15 4s are 60. And 23s are 60. The addition is 7. So that is A plus B. Here, together work. So A can do a piece of work in 15 days, B in 20 days. If they work on it together for 4 days. So complete work, no need of taking like this. So they worked in how many days? 4 days. In each day they can complete 7 units. And 4 days, how much work can complete? 28 units. Total 60 units. They have completed 28 units. What is left? 32 units of work is left. So 32 units of work is left. So the remaining, then the fraction of the work that is left is. What is the fraction of the work? So 32 is left. Total work is 60. What's the cancellations? 2 30s, 2 1s, 2 6. And 2 15s, 2 8s. 8 by 15. That's the fraction of the work that is left is 8 by 15. So normal method without taking efficiency is a complicated method. We get so many fractions. In my own method, so I am taking the efficiency. If you take the efficiency, we won't get anywhere fractions. Only at the answer we get the fraction. So if you get the fractions in the middle, we get confusion. So the answer is 8 by 15. Now let us take another problem, third one. So A can finish a work in 18 days and B can do the same work in 15 days. B worked for 10 days and left the job. In how many days A alone can finish the remaining work? Now, same we take AB, 2 persons, days and efficiency. And A can complete how many days? In 18 days. And B can finish in 15 days. What is the LCM? 18, 15. So let us do normal method, 15, 18, 15. So what's the common? 3 6, 3 5s. 6 3s are 18, 18 5s 90. 90 units. 90 units. Total units is 90 units. First get the LCM, 90 units. Now A in 18 days, total 90 units. 18, 15 LCM is 90. So how many? This 18 5s is 90. 15 6 are 15 6 are 90. So efficiency, A can complete in 1 day 5 units and B can complete in 6 units. 1 day 6 units. 5 units 18 days. 18 5s 90 units he can complete total work. And B 15 days, each day 6 units. 15 6 are 90 units. Total work we take it as 90 units. And first get A plus B's work, 1 day's work, that is 11 units. Combinedly they can complete in 1 day 11 units of work. And what is asked? B worked for 10 days and left the job. Worked for 10 days. So first 10 days into, so B's 1 day's work is 6 units. In 10 days working 6 units per day. In 10 days he can complete 60 units of work. What is left? 90 minus 60 units, and total what is left? 30 units. And remaining work, in how many days A alone can finish the remaining work? What is the remaining work? 30 units. And A can complete in one day 5 units. 30 units can be completed in how many days? 30 by 5. That is 6 days. By taking efficiency, we won't get any fractions in the middle. Only at the end we get the fraction. Here in this case, what is asked? The combined also is not required. So A can complete in 18 days, B in 15 days. First 10 days only B worked. So 10 6 are 60 units he has completed in 10 days. Total he can complete 15 days, but he worked only for 10 days. In 10 days he can complete 60 units of work. What is left? 30 units. 30 units completed by A. He can complete total work in 18 days, but he can complete one day 5 units. So 30 units can be completed 30 by 5, 6 days. That's the answer. Let us take the next problem. X and Y can do a piece of work in 20 days and 12 days respectively. X started the work alone, then after 4 days Y joined him till the completion of the work. How long did the work last? Now we take efficiency, days and efficiency. What is given? X and Y can do a piece of work in 20 days and 12 days. What is LCM? Shortcut or a normal method, you can do it. 20 is not divisible by 12. 40 is not divisible by 12. 40 plus 20, 60 units. 60 is divisible by 12. So total units is 60. Total work is 60 units. He can complete in 20 days. That is 23 is 60 units. 12 5s are 60. So X can complete in one day 3 units of work and complete the work in 20 days. Y can work in one day 5 units. In 12 days he can complete the work. And find X plus Y always. 3 plus 5 is 8 units. They together complete in one day 8 units of work. Now what's the question? X started the work alone and then after 4 days. In this type of problems we take like this. So partition. So first X worked only for 4 days and remaining work Y joined him. In 4 days X can complete in one day 3 units. In 4 days 4 3s are 4 into 3, 12 units of work is over. Total units are 60. 12 units are over. What is left here? 60 minus 12. That is 48 units of work is left. Here 12 units over, 48 units. Now together remaining work can be completed in how many days? So what is left? 48 units and 8 together they can complete in one day 8 units total. So 48 by 8. So what's the answer? 8 6 are 46. Here they may ask you question in two ways. Remaining work can be completed in how many days? That if the question is like this, the answer is 6 days. But what's the question? How long did they work together? 4 days. X alone worked 4 days and both completed 6 days remaining work. So total how many days? 10 days. If the question is remaining work can be completed in how many days? If the question is like this, the answer is 6 days. Question is how long did they work? So we need to find the total, that is 10 days. Here in this problem the answer is 10 days. Take another problem. A and B complete a work in 15 days and 10 days respectively. They started doing the work together, but after 2 days B had to leave and A alone complete the remaining work. The whole work was completed in how many days? And first we take A and B days efficiency. This is the easiest method by taking efficiency. There we take total work is 1 in fractions, and but here we take the total work in LCM units. So this is the easiest way. What is given? A can complete 15 days and B can complete in 10 days. What is LCM? Shortcut method. 15 is not divisible by 10. 15 plus 15, 30 is divisible by 10. So 30 is the LCM. This is the shortcut method. So here in this case, what is the total? 30 units. So 15 2's 30 and 10 3's 30. A plus B. So always take this addition. So 5. Now A can complete total work 15 days. In each day he can complete 2 units. 15 to 30 units he can complete in 15 days. And B can complete each day 3 units. So in 10 days he can complete 30 units. The working together they can complete each day 5 units of work. And once given, we take always like this, a partition like this. Okay. And what's the question? They have started doing the work together. That is here A plus B together. But after 2 days, that is here how many days they worked? 2 days. Here write who are working here, and here how many days. Here number of units completed. So 2 days. B had to leave. A alone complete the remaining work. That is here A alone. We need to find these days. And the whole work complete. So addition. Here also we need to find addition. They worked for 2 days combinedly. They can complete each day 5 units. 5 to the 10 units over. How many units left? 20 units left. So the remaining work done by A alone. So A's 1 day's efficiency. So 1 day he can complete 2 units of work. So now remaining units are 20. He can complete in each day 2 units. So how many days he can complete the remaining work? 10 days. So the question is total work completed in how many days? 12 days. If the question is like this, remaining work A can complete in how many days? So then the answer is 10 days. Total work can completed in how many days? 12 days. Now here the answer is 12 days. Next video we shall see some more problems in time and work.